Welcome to today's video tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for writing winning upwork letters. If you're looking to enhance your chances of securing lucrative projects on Upwork, you've come to the right place. The first step is to access ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model that can assist you in crafting compelling Upwork letters. Open the ChatGPT interface on your computer and let's get started. Begin by typing in a prompt, how to write a winning Upwork letter, to engage ChatGPT's assistance in generating ideas and suggestions for your letter. Once you've entered the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a response based on its extensive knowledge and language understanding. It will provide you with valuable insights and suggestions for crafting a winning Upwork letter. Now let's explore some key tips for writing a winning Upwork letter using ChatGPT's assistance. My number one tip right here is start with a strong introduction. Use ChatGPT's suggestions to create an attention-grabbing opening that highlights your skills and expertise. This will captivate the client and make them eager to read more. Highlight your relevant experiences. ChatGPT will help you articulate your past projects and accomplishments in a compelling way. Make sure to showcase how your skills align with the client's needs and demonstrate your value. At this point, you really want to convince the reader or the employer to hire you or give you a shot. Customize your letter for each job application. ChatGPT can assist you in tailoring your letter to address the specific requirements mentioned in a particular job posting. This personalization will show clients that you have carefully read their project's details and are genuinely interested. Conclude with a strong call to action. ChatGPT can provide you suggestions of creating a persuasive closing statement that can encourage clients to take a next step, such as scheduling an interview or an appointment or requesting for more information. This is what you're looking for in a winning Upwork letter. Remember, you are trying to catch a job in a very very competitive space. So make sure you are straight onto the point. And there you have it. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can write a winning Upwork letter that can stand out from the competition and land you a big gig. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in utilizing ChatGPT to enhance your Upwork letter writing skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, and I wish you a happy freelance life.